To you, and yes, today is the big day. You have the FOMC meet outcome that will be out only late in the night, and we'll get the reaction tomorrow when you talk of the Asian markets, or for the matter of our US markets as well. But for now, what's this screen throwing up? What is the trend looking like when you talk of the US markets?
Well, absolutely. Good morning, Cheryl. And it's a very interesting move that we're seeing play out when it comes to Wall Street, right? Because what really is happening is that investors have been waiting for some cues, and that is the one that we're watching out for. We've been telling you about it. We've been telling you about what is really priced in, and currently what is priced in is a 50 basis points rate cut, and that is something that we've been sort of thinking about. Well, when you take a look at the move on Wall Street, then Wall Street is coming off a mixed session that saw the S&P 500 edge up just a tad bit, so not a very decisive move coming in when you're looking at the S&P 500. When you take a look at Dow Jones as well, a loss of about 16 points, so not much of a move coming in there as well. And when you take a look at Nasdaq, added just about 0.2% there as well. So not a very decisive move. When you take a look at Wall Street, a mixed handover is what we have. And when you take a look at what is really priced in, there's a 63% chance of a 50 basis point rate cut. Like I mentioned, 37% or the stacked of a 25 basis point move as well. So that currently is the kind of expectation that we have when it comes to what the Fed's trajectory is going to look like. And this is really just something that we've all been on high alert for ahead of that first expected rate cut from the Fed at the conclusion of that two-day policy meeting that we've been all watching very closely. Lastly, let's take a very quick look at Europe as well. And when you take a look at the European screen as well, you're looking at stocks closing just a tad bit higher ahead of the central bank decision that's in focus, Sharon.
Absolutely, all eyes on that big decision that will be out late in the evening. But let's talk.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.